Hello students, welcome to the next class of numerical analysis. In the previous class we had studied Taylor series method. So this was the Taylor series which we used to obtain the solution. In this Taylor series method, if the order of this equation is 1, that is if P is equal to 1, then this equation is used for Euler's method. So in this class we will be studying Euler's method. So in the Taylor series method, if the order is 1, that is if P is equal to 1, then we have y of xi plus 1 is equal to y of xi plus h y dash of xi. Because order is 1, y xi is equal to, we already know what is y dash. Y dash is nothing but dy by dx. Because since it's an initial value first order problem, so dy by dx will be f of x comma y. So since dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y, we can replace this y dash of xi by f of xi comma yi. So this is known as Euler's method, and similarly the truncation error is given by t is equal to h square by 2 factorial yi double prime of hi plus theta h. So applying this method at the mesh points xi. So mesh points andre enu anta nanu first initial class alli helidini what is mesh points anta. For I is equal to 0 1 2 up to n minus 1, we obtain the numerical solution of this equation 1 as follows, which is y1. So x is equal to I is equal to 0 adaga x1 barutte. So x1 y1 is equal to y0 plus h into f of x0 comma y0. Similarly y2 so on up to yn, we will be getting yn. So by choosing the suitable value of h and the initial condition y1 and the initial condition, we can obtain y1, y2 so on up to yn. So now we'll look into the problems of this. First problem is solve the initial value problem y dash is equal to x with y of 0 is equal to 1 using the Euler's method in 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0.8. That means the interval is given with h is equal to 0.2 and h is equal to 0.1. Andre ಎರಡು step length ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಎರಡು step size ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Compare the result with the exact solution at x is equal to 0.8. ನಮಗೆ interval ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, step size ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು step size. One is 0.2 and the other one is 0.1. Now we are supposed to divide this interval according to the step size given. Okay. So ಹೇಗದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. So solution given y dash is equal to x and y of 0 is equal to 1. So since we need dy by dx, that is y dash is equal to x by y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So since y of 0 is equal to 1, x0 is 0 and y0 is 1. So the Euler method is given by yi plus 1 is equal to yi plus h into f of xi yi. So first ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ನ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ 0.2 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ h is equal to 0.2 ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್. When h is equal to 0.2, you are supposed to divide this. If you divide this interval, you will be getting 5 intervals. ಹೇಗೆ? So first is 0 to 0.8 ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. This will be your x0. Okay, x0 0. Then the second one is 0.2. Step size is 0.2. 0 plus 0.2 is 0.2. So this is your x1. And the next one is 0.4. This is your x2. And 0.6. This is your x3. And the last one is 0.8 and that is your x4. Okay na, clear ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? 0ಗೆ 0.2 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8. So this is how you are supposed to divide the given interval according to the step size. So ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ I is equal to 0 1 2 up to n minus 1 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So what we'll do, first we'll take when I is equal to 0 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದು Euler's method. So we'll call this as equation 1. So put I is equal to 0 in equation 1. If you put I is equal to 0, then this will become y1 is equal to y0 plus h into f of x0 comma y0. We know f of x comma y, this is nothing but your f of x comma y. Okay, so y1 is equal to y0 is known, y0 is 1 plus h is known, which is 0.2. f of x0 comma y0 is x by y, so that becomes x0 by y0. We know x0 is 0 and y0 is 1. Substitute that. So y1 is equal to 1 plus 0.2 into 0 by y0 is 1. This is nothing but 0. So we get y1 as 1 plus 0, which is 1. Now we got y1. We'll go to the second value when I is equal to 1. Now we'll put I is equal to 1 in equation 1. So if we put I is equal to 1 now, this becomes y2. So y2 is equal to y1 plus h into f of x1 comma y1. So we know y1 is found out now. y1 is 1. So 1 plus h is known, which is 0.2. This becomes x1 by y1. So 1 plus 0.2, we know x1 because we have divided given interval. So x1 is 0.2. So use this 0.2 and x1 is known, we have found out, which is 1. So 0.2 into 0.2 is 0.04. So 1 plus 0.04 is 1 plus 0.04, or y2 is equal to 1.04. This is our y2. Next we'll move for I is equal to 2. So put I is equal to 2 in equation 1. If you put I is equal to 2 in equation 1, this becomes y3 is equal to y2 plus h f of x2 comma y2. We already know y2, which is 1.04 plus h is 0.2 x2 by y2. So that is equal to 1.04 plus 0.2. x2 is known, x2 is 0.4. So 0.4 divided by y2 is 1.04. Calculate this and simplify. So after calculating and simplify, I got y3 as 1.116923. Now we will move for I is equal to 3. So we'll put I is equal to 3 in equation 1. So if you put I is equal to 3, we get y4 is equal to y3 plus h into f of x3 comma y3, which is nothing but y4 is equal to, we know y3 is found out, which is 1.116923 plus h is 0.2. This is x3 by y3, or that is equal to 1.116923 plus 0.2 into 0.6 divided by 1.116923. 3. So if you simplify this, we get y4 as 1.2243611. Okay na? Now we got I is equal to 5 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು n-1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. I have said n-1. So here n is equal to 4. So n-1 is 3. We cannot take n is equal to I is equal to 4 here because this becomes y5. We don't need y5 here. So only we'll stop it here. Next is idu 1 that. This is for h is equal to step length 0.2. Next we'll go for the step size 0.1. Even that's been asked. So what we'll do, we'll take second one for h is equal to 0.1. So for h is equal to 0.1, again you are supposed to divide your given interval. So if you divide your given interval, then this is 0 x0, 0.1 is your x1, 0.2 is your x2, 0.3 is your x3, 0.4 x4, 0.5 x5, 0.6 x6, 0.7 x7, and the last one 0.8, which is x8. So now we have divided the given interval 0, 0.8 into 9 subintervals with step size 0.1. Now what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to start from I is equal to 0 in equation 1. So put I is equal to 0. If you put I is equal to 0, we get y1 is equal to y0 plus h into f of x0 comma y0. So y1 is y0, we know what is y0. Y0 is 1, the given initial condition, 1 plus 0.2 into x0 by y0, which is 1 plus 0.2 into x0 is 0, y0 is 1. So we get y1 is equal to 1 when at h is equal to 0.1. This is. So next we'll put I is equal to 1. If you put I is equal to 1, then y2 is equal to y0 plus y1 plus h into f of x1 comma y1, which is y1 is known, which is 1 plus h is 0.2 into x1 divided by y1, which is 1 plus 0.2 into x1 is 0.1 by y1 is 1. So after simplifying, we get it as 1.01. Sorry, here step size is 0.1, not 0.2. Sorry. So change it to 0.1. Now we'll put I is equal to 2. If you put I is equal to 2, we get y3 is equal to y2 plus h f of x2 comma y2. We need y3, which is equal to 1.01 plus 0.21. We already know this is x1 by x2 by y2. So that is equal to 1.01 plus 0.1 into 0.2 divided by 1.01. So y3 is equal to 1.0298. So for I is equal to 3, we have found out y4, which is 1.058931. For I is equal to 4, I have found out y5, and similarly y6, y7, and also y8 kuda find ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, which is 1.253410. So according to our given problem, we are supposed to find out at x is equal to 0.8. So 0.8 ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಲೆಂತ್ 0.8 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y8 ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಟ್ x is equal to 0.8. ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ, ಏನಂತ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಟ್ x is equal to 0.8. Now we are supposed to solve this and get the value and mean exact solution and analytical. So we'll find the exact solution. So for finding exact solution, the given problem is y dash is equal to x. So we'll use variable separable because we have only two variables. So that is ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ನೀವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. dy by dx is equal to x. So y dy is equal to x dx. So if you integrate this, then this becomes y square by 2 is equal to x square by 2 plus constant of integration c. So we'll take the constant of integration as c by 2. So if you multiply this throughout by 2, then this equation will get reduced to y square is equal to x square plus c. Call this as equation 2. We know the initial conditions given. So what are the initial conditions? When x is equal to 0, we have y is equal to 1. This is the initial condition given. So if you substitute this, 1 is equal to 0 plus c, or that implies c is equal to 1. So if you use this, then our equation 2 will become y square is equal to x square plus 1. So what we'll do, we need y because we are supposed to calculate y at x is equal to 0.8. So for that, if we take square root on both the sides, we get y is equal to square root of x square plus 1. So when x is equal to 0.8, we are supposed to calculate y. So y becomes y is equal to square root of 0.8 square plus 1. So if you simplify this, you are supposed to get 1.280624. Okay na? So namma problem na observe ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. If you observe our problem, so we have got the result here as, so y4 is equal to 1.2243611. This is when we have h is equal to 0.2 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we got this result. When h was 0.1, we have got 1.253410. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು 1.280624. ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ when h is equal to 0.2 and h is equal to 0.1, ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಸೈಜನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೆಶ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಸಲ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹತ್ತಿರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎರರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ವೆನ್ h is equal to 0.2, so we'll calculate what is the error, which is 1.280624 minus 1.224361. So if you compare this, here we have got it as 0.056263. okay, ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ h 0.2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ. now we'll go for when h is equal to 0.1, we can do this. We have this as 1.280624 minus 1.253410 which is equal to 0.027214. Okay la? So this is how Euler's method is used. So conclusion bariyana. ಹೇಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ನು ಅದೇ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹತ್ರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ವೆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್, ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅಂದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಶ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ to exact solution when h is equal to 0.1. The step size is more smaller, comma, we get more accurate solution. Okay, clear with this? We'll go to the second problem in our next video.